Hello everybody, let me share with you our recent visit in the newly opened Water World in Ocean Park as a family with small kids. So our tickets and reservation were both online. It was done online. It's quite easy and straightforward. You can buy it too in the Water World. However, the shuttle bus reservation from Ocean Park to Water World, the morning slots are already full when I did the booking, so to make sure we will arrive early, we took the public bus transport from Central Ferry Pier, which is around 5 minutes walk only from Hong Kong MTR station. Take bus 629 from bus station C and it will take you to the Water World. This is another option aside from the shuttle bus provided by the Water World. And as usual, expect long queues when you arrive in the park as it's inevitable, especially during weekends or holidays, to see long lines, especially in the tourist places or the famous places here in Hong Kong. But it's just a quick and smooth checking process in getting in. It's quite chaotic when we get in, especially you have to line up again for the locker even if you have the booking online. The parks offer complete amenities and facilities, so no need for you to worry if you left something, as there are shops, restaurants, snacks, and drinks dispenser available on site. Since we still have the small one, we enjoy first the whisker splash in level 3. It is designed for kids. There are numbers of slides which is safe for kids and small one. And I think if you're a family with the small kids, you will also love this place.
Ito yung whisker for toddlers and kids. So, lahat ng bata dito nag-enjoy. So, you can see, everybody's enjoying, especially the small ones.
You may refer to the 5 zoning and the 3 levels available in the map to assess yourself and your kids if it's okay for you to take the ride. So for us at the start, we refer to this map, or you may refer to the website and filter the suitable rides for your kids. The Horizon Cove for young kids and toddlers, which is a shallow pool with artificial waves that most of the kids really enjoy. You may leave your bags, slippers, or shoes before you take the ride worry-free. Lots of things, especially in the established places here in Hong Kong, is unpopular. But please don't leave it anywhere. Here's our energetic ride in the Lazy Cruise. From the name itself, you will know what to expect, but of course, it's always fun when you do it together. And people from all ages can be seen in this ride. Waterworld's architecture have the unique landscape and nature designs and details. The outdoor view is lush mountains as you can see, and some part of the ocean park can be seen from the site.
our shoes there. Let's see more.
Outdoor fun such as Big Wave Bay offers different wave patterns, energetic disco music, and magnificent nature view to enjoy while you are in the pool. For me, this is one of the best place as I love the scenery while you're in the pool and the vibe, the feeling that you're like in the beach because of the artificial waves make it more fun.
Big wave. Come on.
We spent most of our time here, which is fine because we don't want to queue to the adventurous and thrilling rides, which is not applicable or suitable for my kids. Please note, I'm talking here as a mother with young kids. Of course, your preference may vary with ours when you're in the water world. The riptide is one of my kids' favorite and have a relaxing current that will float you around again and again. Side portion of the pool shows scenic view of sea and mountains. We enjoyed as well long time here as the kids prefer to stay. They love the props and effects of this pool. There's like a water jet bubbles, and there's a part of this pool that it's like an infinity pool, and the view is magnificent, and the current which will allow you to flow, it's very good experience as well. For those who are adventurous, these skyfalls, daredevil drop, and bravery clips are for you. If you're faint-hearted like me, please avoid this ride. Other rides such as Cyclone Spin, Tropical Twist, and Rainbow Rush, which is the popular one, looks absolutely fun. So you may expect long lines, which I think worth if you really want to have an adventure. These water slides are good for big kids who loves adventures. You can have a priority access to the 9 of the top water world attraction by upgrading your ticket to a Splash Pass. Please check all relevant links in the description box below. We are in the park starting at 10 a.m. which is the opening time until 5 p.m. and honestly it's not yet enough for us. Make sure you have a well-planned itinerary to maximize your visit. The water world is worth of your time if you're a tourist or first timer to visit. Even for locals here in Hong Kong, I think it's worth it to visit from time to time. It's a place for kids. The experience is good, and for sure we will be back and we're looking forward to go back again. So I think that's it. Enjoy your visit, enjoy your rides, and hope you have a good time, and thank you for watching. Bye.